So, do you really want to make money in 2026? Then you need to watch this video. In this video, I'm just going to explain why making money is becoming more difficult for you, why you can't make your $100 online, $10 online, $5 online, even $1 online. So I'm just going to say this out of my no script, just from my real experience. So let's get started. If you are new to this YouTube channel, my name is Joseph Yakubu. I teach YouTube growth, automation, and online businesses for beginners, creators, and businesses. So let's get into the main topic of today. So, number one reason you might be wasting years chasing online businesses and you are not getting any money from it. You are not getting paid from it. The number one reason that I notice from my own experience is trying to do multiple things at once, just like multitasking, trying to chase different business model, like maybe trying YouTube. As you are running YouTube on the background, you're also doing affiliate marketing. As you're doing affiliate marketing, you are running Facebook ad. As you're doing Facebook ad, going to do survey, social media tags. Like, got to use the power of one, and the power of one is to choose one niche, one problem, one solution, and one full year. So you pick one niche, what you are good at, pick one solution, one problem. Pick one problem, look for a solution you can create in that niche. Then you do this for one full year. Pick up your camera, start creating content. There are so many ways for you. You can deliver your content through blogs, on social media, on YouTube. Like, there are so many ways, channels you can distribute your content. All I want you to start doing now is start creating content. Any kind of content. I prefer video. You can create article, blog post, social media post, video reels, like any form of content distribution channel that you can just use it. Start creating content around things you love. Choose one problem, one niche, and start trying how you can solve that problem with one solution. That is your digital program, or what you can even teach on your YouTube channel. You can use your YouTube channel to teach them on how to solve that problem in that niche, which is like your traffic source. Your YouTube channel, your content is your traffic source, whether it's on your social media, blog posts, YouTube, anywhere that you distribute content online. That place will be your traffic source. So you choose one traffic source, either YouTube or Instagram, or you can X, blog, and also. So there are so many ways of distributing content online. So after you start creating that, you need to pick one business model. As I said earlier, what you are good at. And how do you know what you are good at? Is you probably you write pick out a pen and paper and write maybe 10 things you are good at. Out of that 10 things, look inside again. What is the most important one you can do? What is the best one that you are very perfect at? It can be either how to cook, how to prepare kids for school, how to sleep. In fact, there's people that don't sleep at night, so they are looking for a solution on how to sleep. Some take on medicine before they can sleep, so we can teach them how to sleep, how to make a coffee, how to create a blog, how to create a website. Like, there are so many ways, so many skills. And if you don't know anything yet, and some of you guys taking excuse that, oh, I don't know anything, I don't know what to post, I don't even know what my skills is. It's okay, guys. First, go to AI. Yes, we're going to use AI for this. Write out what you've already know before, maybe what you're good at, your location, and ask it to pick the best business model for you. Start like maybe whether it's drawing, cooking, how to prepare something. Just pick one skills and start learning it. As you are learning it, don't just wait until you're perfect. Start creating content about it. Start learning in public. Start posting it. That way, you will no longer waste time, months learning and not posting. So this way, you are learning and you are building in public. You are building your social media presence. You are building your online presence in general. And when you got an audience, enough traction, you can either sell them a digital product, that is your digital product to be your solution to their problem. So people will buy the solution from you so that they can solve their problem, because you have solved some of their problem on your channel, YouTube channel, blog post, anywhere. So since you have solved some of their problem on your channel, they'll be like, oh, if this person can provide this value for free, I wonder how this his paid product will be like it will be packed with value, right? Sure, then they'll go for it. Also, YouTube, also like platform like YouTube, you get monetized when you reach your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours and all the stuff. You get monetized even before you start creating any digital product and selling any digital product. YouTube start paying you. Yes, that is the one thing I love about YouTube. Maybe you are even learning before you even start creating content. Maybe you are learning how you can create a website, and your video topic will go like, I tried creating this website, see what happened. I look at the skills I'm going to learn this week. Look at this one. Before you even finish your skills, you start seeing product ideas you can create product about. People start asking you in the comment section, what kind of can you please create this kind of product for us? Or they will not say it directly, can you please create this kind of videos for us? I have problem in this, I have problem in that. You gather all of those information. That is what you use to create your digital program, which is your solution again. So that being said, guys, this is just a very simple video. I just want to keep it short, under about 8 minutes long. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share, because I'm going to be sharing some very valuable tips. This is not the end yet. I'm going to be sharing creating videos on how you can get your YouTube channel monetized even before you reach your 1,000k subscribers. How you can build a website, how you can build an AI clone of yourself. I've done this thing before. I'm not faking anything. I've built AI assistants of myself that answer things about Joseph Yakubu, which is me. Ask it, who is Joseph Yakubu? Joseph Yakubu is from Nigeria, Abuja, Nigeria. Tell you everything about me, because I've already given it knowledge base about me, which contains question and answer about me, and it can even answer question from the web also, not only about me. Who is Mr. Beast? Can tell you who is Mr. Beast. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That being said, catch you in the next video. Peace.